Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. So today what we are going to discuss means it is a Teachers Day special class. So I want to give a important topic. So very compulsory important topic for 2021 March or April or May, whatever it may be. When exams will be conducted, then you have to write this question. That is molecular orbital theory. Based on this theory, we are going to draw some diagrams of some molecules. Okay, molecular orbital theory we are going to discuss. Very important. Molecular orbital theory. Okay, it is nothing but a MOT, molecular orbital theory you are going to discuss. So first you know who proposed this theory. Hund and Mulliken. It was proposed by Hund and Mulliken. Hund and Mulliken. So this theory was explained based on LCAO method. Okay, it was explains based on LCAO method. Okay, method. What is LCAO method means? Linear combination of atomic orbitals. Linear combination of atomic orbitals. It is nothing but a LCAO method. Okay, according to this theory, electrons are present in atomic orbitals. Okay, atomic orbitals are present in molecules. Molecules are present in molecular orbitals. Okay, so here number of atomic orbitals combined is equal to number of molecular orbitals formed. Okay, number of atomic orbitals combined is equal to number of molecular orbitals formed. Okay, number of atomic orbitals combined is equal to number of molecular orbitals formed. Molecular orbitals are two types: bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Here molecular orbitals are two types. Okay, see first one, bonding molecular orbitals, bonding molecular orbitals. These are nothing but BMO, bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, so bonding molecular orbitals having low energy, high stability. See here, bonding molecular orbitals having low energy and high stability. Okay, denoted by sigma, pi, comma, delta and so on. Who's that? Bonding molecular orbitals. Next, second one, anti bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, these are A, B, M, O. Okay, see, anti bonding molecular orbitals A, B, M, O. Okay, so A, B, M, O having high energy and low stability. Okay, high energy and low stability. See, these are denoted by sigma star, pi star and delta star and so on. Okay, so next some more postulates. This theory explains magnetic nature of molecules. Okay, it successfully explains magnetic nature of molecules. Magnetic nature of molecules. Okay, then it is used to calculate bond order also. Bond order, it is used to calculate a bond order. So what I mean to say, we have a formula for bond order. Bond order is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, by 2. This is the formula given for calculating bond order. So these are molecular orbital theory postulates. These are postulates of molecular orbital theory. Understand? So here proposed by Hund and Mulliken was explained based on LCAO. LCAO means linear combination of atomic orbitals. We are going to discuss. Then electrons are present in atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals are present in molecules. Molecules are present in molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals formed equal to number of atomic orbitals combined. Molecular orbitals are two types: bonding molecular and anti-bonding. Bonding having low energy, high stability. Anti-bonding having high energy, low stability. Bonding denoted by sigma pi delta, anti-bonding denoted by sigma star pi star delta star. Okay. Magnetic nature can be calculated. Here it is useful to calculating magnetic nature and bond order also. Okay. Next, what is LCAO method means? We are going to discuss. Okay. LCAO method diagram I am going to draw. See here, LCAO method. LCAO method we are going to discuss. See here, it is energy barrier. It is energy barrier. Okay. Here atomic orbitals, here molecular orbitals, here atomic orbitals. So I am taking. And then so here atomic orbitals, here also atomic orbitals, here bonding molecular orbitals, here molecular orbitals. Okay, these are two types: bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, molecular orbitals are two types: bonding molecular, anti-bonding. So here energy is 0, going on increases. Here energy is 0, going on increases. Then what happened? It having low energy, high stability. It having, comparing to this low energy, high stability, it having high energy, low stability. So here you have to know order of energies, order of energies of orbitals, order of energies of orbitals. So first one, bonding molecular orbital is less than atomic orbitals is less than anti-bonding molecular orbital. Understand? So it is increasing energy. Order of energies of orbitals, which having low energy, this one. Stability high, which having high energy, this one. Stability less. Okay. So this is LCAO method. LCAO method. Next we are going to draw molecular orbital energy diagram of N2. 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 It is MOED. Okay, molecular orbital energy diagram of N2. So here N, atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. S orbital having 2 electrons, the 2s having 2 electrons and 2p having 3 electrons. Okay, based on this electron configuration I am going to draw energy diagram. See here, okay, here energy increases. Energy increases. Here atomic orbitals, here molecular orbitals, here atomic orbitals. So here I am taking atomic orbitals, nitrogen, N2, nitrogen. Okay, then okay, it is a 1s, it is a 1s. Next it is a 2s, it is a 2s. Okay, then okay, so it is 2px 2py orbitals. It is also 2px 2py orbitals. Okay, and then it is a pi 2px, it is a pi 2py. Okay, then it is a 2pz, it is a 2pz, it is a sigma 2pz. Okay, next it is a pi star 2px, it is a pi star 2py. Okay, next it is a sigma star 2pz. Understand? It is for nitrogen, it is a 2s, it is a 2s, it is a 1s, it is a 1s, 1s, 2s, 2px, 2py, 2pz. It is a px, it is a py, it is a pz. Okay, it is one nitrogen atom, it is one nitrogen atom. Remain here N2 means sigma 1s, it is a sigma star 1s, it is a sigma 2s, it is a sigma star 2s, okay, like this. It is a pi 2 px, pi 2 py, sigma 2 pz, pi star 2 px, pi star 2 py, sigma star 2 pz, like this. Now here it having how many? 2 electrons. Here it having 2 electrons. It having 2 electrons. It having 2 electrons. Here 1 1 1. Here 1 1 1. Then now filling. The atomic orbitals are filled. Atomic orbitals are filled. Now filling molecular orbitals. Here first electron. Here first electron. 1s is filled. So it is a lower energy level. First lower energy level have to fill. Next higher energy level. So second electron and a second electron is filled. So 1s is completed. Then you go for this. Okay. So here. So electrons are filled. Then first electron and a second electron. Next here first electron and a second electron. Next here first electron, then second electron, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 out. Next here 2pz, the first electron, this is a first electron, okay. This is the way. It is a 0 0 0 empty. So now we may write electronic configuration, okay. Electronic configuration of N2 is first sigma 1s2, next sigma star 1s2, next sigma 2s, next sigma star 2s2, then these two having similar energy means pi 2p x2, then pi 2p y2, then here sigma 2p z2. It is electronic configuration, okay. Electronic configuration is over. Then bond order. Bond order equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus, it is a sigma is bonding. So number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, here bond order formula, number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. By 2. Okay. Then here 10 minus 4 by 2 equal to 6 by 2. It is a 3. 3 means between the nitrogen and nitrogen bond order is 3, means it contains a triple bond. Okay. Here bond order is a 3, means a triple bond. Now here any unpaired electrons? No unpaired electrons. So its magnetic nature is diamagnetic nature. Okay. Then here I am writing one more point. See, no unpaired electrons unpaired electrons in molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals. So it is, so nitrogen is, so N2 is diamagnetic substance, diamagnetic nature. Okay, so it is very important question for 4 marks. Molecular orbital energy diagram of N2. Okay, so this is the way we may draw energy diagram, LCAO method, electron configuration, bond order. It is a N triple bond N. Next it is a magnetic nature. Magnetic nature. It's a very important question for 4 marks. It is LCAO method. Based on this we drawn this one. Okay. Then very important question for 4 marks. So it is a Teachers' Day special question. Got it? You have to practice this question. If you have any doubts, keep aside. When the college is reopened, then we will discuss face to face. Okay, what we discussed in this class, students? What we discussed in this class? Molecular orbital theory postulates and molecular orbital energy diagram of N2. Very important for 4 marks. So time to leave.